Look who's out of his cave tonight. What are we doing, Zailas? Something going down tonight. Looking fresh as always. Man, it's lighting right now. It's about 8:30 here in California. Damn, that paint though. That color, y'all. Yo, what's cracking, ladies and gents? Jeff back here with another little quick vlog for you guys. I'm not doing too much tonight, but there is a little local car meet going on that's about 20 minutes from where I live. So I got Zailas out, got them all gassed up, and we're gonna go over there and see what's up. May not be too big of a turnout, but you never know. We'll go out there and see what's going on. It's a beautiful night for a drive anyways, so the wife has decided to tag along with me as well. So we're just gonna go out, take a little drive, hit up the car meet and see if it's cool. If it is, I'll whip the camera back out, take some shots, and if not, you know, whatever, it is what it is. I might record some stuff anyways, we'll see how it is. But anyways, enjoy. I don't know what the video is gonna entail from here, but enjoy. We'll see, hopefully it's dope. All right, y'all, so we out here, and man, this is a better turnout than I was thinking. There's probably at least 50 cars here. Pretty decent showing, you know, your typical suspects as well. We got some folks that I saw back at Car Mecca, and some other shows that I've been to in the past. So some really nice builds, some real top quality builds here. I'm just gonna make the rounds and show you guys some of these rides. There's some sick rides here. Shout out to Hard Park. Victor out here hustling and bustling, doing his thing. He always out here with his cars. It's always good to see him. Yeah, some nice rides out here. This is the nicest Civic in Northern California right here. Super, super nice. This guy's at all the shows, of course, as he should be. Very nice. Love your car, bro. If you're watching this, Manny. Every time I see it, I get goosebumps. Another super nice car that's here. See this one a lot too. This is the Roadster on the Workmeister boosted. Big Country Labs wing, custom diffuser. Super dope Roadster. One of the best in NorCal for sure.
Yeah, and like the fucking, you know, I got to drive it for quite a while, like all the way up to 49, so it's like regular.
Nice BMW. Clean Z34 right here. He's got the reconstructed front end there. That's a love it or hate it front end. I think it's kind of cool. I would never do it myself, but a lot of guys doing this. They're nixing the front bumper all together and they're just doing the bash bump, the bash bars in front. Looks really cool. Carbon hood, carbon fenders, carbon mirrors. I don't know if they're covers or the actual mirrors, but real nice. Muse rear. I'm a fan. Yo, I do need to bring some attention to this Z over here though. Stock body, but the color on this thing is so sick. Shout out to Alan Safon. I'm gonna follow you on IG, bro. Super nice color for the Z. It's like a 2006 Rev Up. Carbon hood, pins. It's got the M3R bumper, same bumper as me. He just needs my Widebody kit. This guy be sitting super pretty. Looks like TE37s. TE37s looking good.
yeah, it does.
Can't tell if they're real or reps, but doesn't matter. Oh yeah, they're Varstones. It's nice though. I love the color, man. Love the color. kind of typical parking lot car meet fare, but you know, it's all good. It's all good. As long as you're out here having a good time, not doing sideshows and all that. You all right with me? Super clean Evo 10. S14 taken out. Got those tire letters. I'm gonna check out this 8.6 right here. He's out here in the back, trying not to draw too much attention, but that wing though. Little arrow wing. That's nice. Looks like a build in progress, but I like it. Hey babe, how you doing?
Good.
This is a pretty good turnout.
It's good.
This is a pretty good turnout.
Cool.
No, I'm not talking about the car.
Oh,
This car is okay, but
This
this meet, yeah, this meet is a pretty good turnout out here. It's actually bigger than I was expecting it would be. This is pretty rare that she'll come out with me to these meets, but it's always a good time when she does.
That's good.
So I don't quite feel so isolated out here. But I'm gonna take you guys over to Zailas. He's already gotten a lot of positive reception. It makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside. Everybody likes him so far. It's not bad. Which one is Zailas? I think you guys picked it out. Got the headlights on in full effect right now. He's sitting pretty pretty right now. I wiped him down, cleaned him up pretty good, but still a little dirty here and there, but he's looking good for sure. I'm proud of it. What do you guys think? I don't know. I think he looks great. Of course I do. I love Zailas. He's like a brother to me. But yeah, good turnout. Nice Subies out here. A little bit of work done there. You see this car quite a bit. Sponsored by Tire King. Shout out to Tire King. This BRZ right here sounds insane. The dude fired it up and it definitely is not stock. I'm just gonna say that. I don't know what he's got exactly, but yeah, this right here, man. This one right here is one of the best in this whole meet right now. This dude just pulled up. I was mentioning the tire letters just a minute ago, and wink wink on those for Zailas. Let me just tell you, I'm not gonna say any more than that, but very, very nice Evo 10. My wife is an Evo fan, aren't you, babe? Yeah, she's all about those Evos. But not the 10s, the 5s, okay? Now, bear in mind, she came from Japan, you know, so and back in, what year would that have been? 90s, right? Mid-90s? Middle, late 90s? The Evo 5, Evo 6?
You don't say my age.
No, I'm not talking about your age. I'm talking about...
People can guess.
All right, she's sensitive when it comes to her age, so I wasn't talking about her age. I was saying the years that the Evo 5 and the Evo 6 came out in Japan. It was like middle 90s, right? Middle, late 90s? Yeah, that's what I was talking about. So you're an Evo 5, Evo 6 fan, and man, I cannot judge her for that. I'm definitely a fan of those cars as well. I do have love and respect for the 10s, and I love the 9s too. The 9s are probably my second favorite Evos after the 6.
Face is so lame.
Nah, I like the face.
This face is not good, actually. Like it looks like a pig.
Looks like a pig?
Yeah. I don't like this face.
I'm a fan, babe. I'm a fan, I gotta say. I like him, but no, Evo 6. Evo 5, Evo 6.
So cool.
Yeah, those are the ones. Let's take a closer look at this Koki S14 Sylvia right here. Beautiful. Look at the paint on this. Of course, I love the dark grays. But man, very, very clean. This car right now, shoot, because of how rare it is, probably wouldn't be able to find one for under 9,000, 9 to 10,000, just because of the condition. I don't know what's up mechanically with it, but the body looks straight, and I'm not seeing any real serious paint damage or body damage or anything like that. Very clean S14 Pokey. Huge fan. Love this car. See, this just goes to show you don't have to do very much to these things to have a lot of presence with them. And the Japanese just had a way, especially in the 90s, the mid-90s, mid-late 90s, early 2000s. Just there was something about the design of their cars that just cannot be. You can't complain about it. You can't argue with it. It's just something about it that's just masterful. And these S14 Silvias are definitely an example of that. Beautiful car, man. A few cool trucks over that way. That one is clearly bagged. Got some headlight work as well, so pretty cool. Got some Corvettes over here. There's a car right there that's notable. That car, some of you guys who are following a Mod Z should recognize this car right away. Very notable because this is, or at least it used to be, a Mod Z's SC that he sold. He had it, I want to say, a month or two ago, and he was turning it into a drift car. Javier, Team Twinkie, painted this bumper for him and everything, and I was really excited when he bought this car, man. It was cool, man. He took on a good project with it. He was going to turn it into a full-time drifter and just decided to change his mind, so he ended up selling it, picking up another 350. But this used to be a Mod Z's car. I'm not sure who owns it at this point, but it's here tonight. I think the last thing that a mod did to it was throw the side skirt on there, but you can see it hasn't been painted just yet. Of course, these SCs, they have the 2JZ, same engine as the Supra. Some people like to refer to these as the Supra's retarded brother or retarded sister. I disagree with that statement. I like these cars a lot. This is the Toyota Soarer in Japan. And if you guys have followed the drift scene in Japan for a while, then you would have seen a lot of these cars used in D1 GP to great effect. They're amazing cars, and they can look amazing as well if they're done right. Got some nice rides over here. A couple of G's right there that are sitting pretty low. Nice Beamer. Yeah, I've seen this car too. I don't recall where I've seen it, but I've seen this car too. TE37's black with a polished lip. It's real nice. Oh, actually, this is the car that I saw at Tire King when I was with the mod. Yeah, there's the Tire King sticker right there. This is the same dude. He had different wheels last time, but yeah, this is clean. This is not an M. It's a 440, I believe. Could be wrong about that. I'm not a Beamer guy, but it's nice. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice for all you Beamer guys. All right, guys, so that is going to be about it. People are starting to roll out now. I'm really glad we came out here. This was very cool. It was only about a 20-minute drive. It's a beautiful night out, nice temperature out, so nice summer drive out here. And it was cool to see some of these cars out here. Some really cool cars came out tonight, so I'm very happy we came. We were only here for about 30 minutes, but that's more than enough. I was actually able to talk with Victor from Hard Park. Shout out to you, bro. And get some information on a super dope shop to get some performance stuff done for Zailas. So I'm very excited about that. There's some major performance mods coming for Zailas very soon. Can't wait to tell you guys a little bit more about it. We're not quite there yet, but plans are developing, and it's gonna blow out quite literally. So I'm gonna be sharing that with you guys in a video to come. But shout out to you, Victor, for giving me some information on a shop that I should get a hold of, and I'm super excited about it. So it's gonna be dope. All right, babe, so what do you think? Did you have a good time? Yeah? Yeah, she likes it because we don't have to stay here all freaking day. Like most of the time when we go out to car shows, we get there real early in the morning and we're there until like 5 or 6 p.m. when they close up. We can't move the car, so it's nice to be able to come out to this thing, stay for a while, chat with some of you guys, and then bounce in like half hour, an hour, and head on back. So it's super cool. Glad you had a good time, babe. I had a good time too. So we're gonna head back home now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will give you guys another one ASAP. As always, peace out and God bless.